Hello and welcome to Coffee with Carey. Thank you for stopping by today to see what's on the agenda. I don't know what's on the agenda. Let me again refresh my memory. It flew out of my head. Gotta look at my notes. Hang on. Oh yeah, wanted to just make a quick tip about canceling a date. Nobody wants to be glamboozled. Glamboozled, to me, I made it up. I don't know what it really means. To me, it's like when I already put in the effort. I got all dressed up. I picked out an outfit. Maybe the day before I picked out an outfit. I made sure that the shoes I wanted to feel myself in had an outfit that went along with them. I chose some pretty makeup look. Maybe I even watched a makeup tutorial to be able to try something different and make it feel special. I probably told my friends about it. I probably shared the fact that I had a date and was excited about it with my mother. And then the day of the date arrives and I'm about to walk out the door, or I'm en route to this date, and what happens? It gets canceled. Last minute canceled. Does anything feel worse than that? No. I was glamboozled. I was already glammed and then I was boozled, and that stinks. If you have to cancel a date, or you think that there's a possibility you might have to cancel a date, be very, very kind and thoughtful to this person who is meeting you, especially if this person is a woman and takes more than 15 or 20 minutes to get dressed for a date. I really need to look up what glamboozled really means. If it has a different meaning and I'm way off base, I may have to delete this episode. Or I don't really care, so it'll be here in any event. So here's what I always tell my matchmaking clients about canceling. I tell them that people get excited about a match, a date, and that please give me notice. Give me 48 hours notice if they're going to cancel. And I let them know that if by chance we have a date scheduled on a Wednesday and Sunday evening, you're feeling kind of crummy, shoot me a text, because I'm the middleman in this situation. But in your situation without a matchmaker, text this other person and the same message. And I tell my clients, let me know. Just say, hey, I thought that my cold was going away, but I sort of feel that this just may be settling in my chest and I'm not going to be my best self come Wednesday. So why don't you ask my date if she'd like to reschedule, or if she's available to reschedule for the weekend or for the same day following week. That is what you should do with this other person. Let them know at your earliest convenience. Reasonable hours is what I mean by convenience. As soon as it's like she's awake and she can take calls, let her know that you're going to need to reschedule and say, hey, I'm really, really sorry about that. Why don't you send over some other dates that might work for you, and we can replan this right away. I just don't want to get you sick, or I'm sorry that I was called away on business, or I have a family situation that requires my attention. Whatever your reason, you don't have to go into details, but just say, I really wanted to let you know as soon as possible, and I just found out that I'm not going to be able to make it. And that way, at least she's going to be disappointed, sure, but she's not already wearing her lipstick that she bought for the occasion. I hope you found this interesting or helpful, and that you will heed my advice on this one. Don't let anybody get glamboozled. I hope you'll hit that ring bell, then you're notified every time I upload a new episode, and I will look forward to seeing you back here again soon. I appreciate you being here today, and until next time, have a good one.